So in chapter 7, we finally reached a set of reactions. We're going to be looking at acyl halides and how they are involved in substitution and elimination reactions. Now, these molecules are going to be acyl, which means they're going to be carbon, hydrogen, with a halide. The halides are fluorine, let's see, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, so that's all that means. Okay, there are two possible reactions. One is a substitution, and then I'll show you that. And you could also have an elimination. So a substitution looks like this. X is going to be our symbol for any of these. Any of the halogens are X. And it's going to react with a nucleophile. We did identify a nucleophile as being having electrons on it. So I always draw those little dots. Those are the electrons. And they're going to interact, and we're going to make this compound. It's going to have the nucleophile attached, and the halide is going to be ejected and alone. Maybe not ejected and alone, but okay. There we go. Get all my charges in there. That's a substitution. When we look at elimination, we're going to be using a base. Start with black. And we'll have a halogen on it. Instead of a nucleophile, though, this time we're going to have a base. So let's do orange. Our base is going to have some electrons on it. It's going to be charged negative. And what we're going to get here is a double bond. Plus, we'll have the hydrogen and our base. Hopefully I got the same color. Yeah. The hydrogen will be on our base, and the halogen will be alone again. Okay? So many reagents can be both nucleophiles and bases, and so these two reactions are going to compete with each other.